Hello guys, this is MD Atta. Welcome back to Real Life Code. In today's lecture, we will learn some basic examples of HTML and cover some topics like HTML documents, doctype declaration, HTML headings, HTML paragraph, HTML links, HTML images, how to view source code, and how to inspect HTML element. So HTML document. In previous lecture we have learned about HTML document. All HTML document must start with the doctype declaration. The HTML document itself begins with HTML starting and HTML closing tags. The visible part of the HTML document is between body starting and body ending tags. Doctype declarations. The doctype declarations represents the document type. It helps browsers to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tag. The doctype declaration is not case sensitive. Now, what is HTML heading? HTML headings are defined with H1 to H6. The H1 defines the most important heading and the H6 defines the least important headings. HTML paragraph. HTML paragraphs are defined with the P tag. HTML links. HTML links are defined with the A tag. Here is an example of HTML links. HTML image. HTML images are defined with the IMG tag. Here is an example of image tag. The source file src, alternative text alt, width and height are provided as attributes. Now HTML source code. Have you ever seen a web page? So how to view HTML source code? Right click in Chrome or any browser, select view page source. How to inspect an HTML element? Right click on an element or a blank area and choose inspect or inspect element. To see what elements are made up of, you will see both the HTML and the CSS. You can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the elements or styles panel that opens. See an example how to write HTML paragraph, HTML link, HTML image, and how to view source code and how to inspect HTML element with an example. So create a new file in the directory. You can edit the name of the file with an example file, and you can change its extension with HTML as we can write HTML code here. Click yes. So right click the example and edit with Notepad++. So here is an example of HTML document which shows how to write headings, how to write paragraph, how to write links, images, and etc. So start with HTML tags, HTML closing tag. In HTML tag write head tag and head closing tag. In head tag we write the title of the page. Here the closing tag of the title. So title of this page is an example. So and we write the body. Here the body starting tag and the body ending tag. So this is the basic structure of an HTML document. Here is the title of the HTML document is example. So we want to see HTML heading, paragraph, link, image in HTML document. So as we learn in the slides, we can write HTML headings which H1 to H6. This is the heading of the HTML document. So if we want to run this file, so double click the example. Here is the title of the HTML page, and this is the heading which shows the most important heading. And if we want to show the least important heading, then write H6, and so this is the least important heading. If we refresh this page, then we can see here this is the least important heading which shows with the H6 tags. So this is the basic code for the heading tag of HTML. So now we want to write the paragraph tag. So start with the P starting tag and P paragraph closing tag. Write something in the paragraph. So this is my first HTML document. So this is the paragraph. If we want to save this with Ctrl S and refresh our page here, then we can see the paragraph. So this is the paragraph. This is the least important heading. This is the most important heading, and this is the paragraph. Now we want to write the link code in HTML. So below the paragraph we write a, and the attribute of the link is reference. Okay, is equal to double colon, and we want to open the Google home page, the link of that page. So www.google.com and the closing tag and a closing tag. So we want to, if we want to Google, it will take us to the Google homepage. So save it, refresh. If we click this, this link is created with HTML code. If we press this Google, it's work. Now we want to show an image in the browser. So write image tag, img image tag, write as a source of the image that we want to show in the browser. So write the path relivecode.jpg, relivecode.jpg, and close the tag. And now if we refresh this page, then the live code image will show here. So this is the example how to write heading, how to write paragraph, how to create link, how to add image in the HTML code or in the web page. So these are the basic examples. Now you can write your own code. You can place a link in your web page. You can place an image in your web browser. So now we need to understand two things more: how to view source code and how to inspect element. So if we open a web browser and right click here and select web page source, so this is the web page source that we write to show all these things here. And similarly, if we want to inspect, right click on the web page and click inspect, then it will inspect the source code and we can edit here with the CSS. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.